Surrounded by vineyards of the indigenous Verdejo grape, Bodega Valdecuevas was born in the borough of the town of Rueda. Our modern winery stands in the heart of the Rueda appellation, in the well-known Pardina state, a plot located at an altitude of 800 meters above sea level, characterized by its gravelled soil. The basis for the elaboration of our wines is to start from grapes of the highest quality. This philosophy, non-negotiable within Valdecuevas, leads us to carry out exhaustive work on the land throughout the year. The vineyard has a high-density plantation system, which causes great competition between vines, providing a low amount of grapes per vine, giving as a result a more balanced fruit with better ripening qualities. When September comes and the fruit is at the desired level of ripeness, then the harvest takes place. At nightfall, when the sun has gone down, the harvesting machines pick the grapes. The harvest is always at night, to avoid oxidation and to take advantage of the low temperatures at these hours. Once in the cellar, the grapes are destemmed and crushed, breaking the grape's grain without damaging the skin or the seed, in order to facilitate the extraction of the grape juice. Next, the cooling process of the grapes begins. It is carried out in a short time, so as not to lose the aromas and to achieve a must and a wine with high aromatic intensity. During the pressing, the must is gently extracted from the juice in which the skins of the grapes are soaked, called skin maceration. Then fermentation starts, but before this it is necessary to clean the musts using the debouchage method. The solid parts settle at the bottom of the tank due to their weight, and the clean must is racked. Now fermentation can begin. This process is carried out in stainless steel tanks at a low temperature to maintain all the aromatic potential of the must. In the case of our wine fermented in barrels, the fermentation takes place in a selection of French oak barrels from the best barrel makers. During the aging process, the barrels will provide complexity to the Verdejo nuances. In the laboratory, our technicians control the whole production process, from the start to the end, from the analysis of the grape and vines to the moment that the wine is bottled. The final step before the wine leaves the cellar is the bottling process. First, the bottles are rinsed to ensure a thorough cleaning, followed by the filling and corking. Then they just need to be dressed with the labels and caps and to be placed in cases accordingly. Valdecuevas wines are then ready to be tasted. Our goal is to make high-quality wines which best reflect our terroir, having a distinguished personality and an identity of their own, thus achieving singular wines which are a benchmark both in Spain and in the rest of the world. Bodega Valdecuevas.